One. Hey everyone, how is everyone? This is Coaster the T-Fox here with my very, very dear friend, Paige here, Hannah. And we actually have a video for all of you today. Today we have this little special package that came here in the mail for her, and it's from Rossy Kitti Kreations. And we're going to do a live unboxing video here for you tonight. So, let's get this beautiful box here unboxed.
Oh yeah, unopened.
Oh goodness.
New.
So, we're going to need, first of all, we're going to need some very special opening tools. This. And we're going to need somebody to man this camera, so I will be on the other side of that camera as the unboxing. So, would you like to open her up? Okay. This is going to be amazing. This is the first ever Fursuit from Rossy Kitti Kreations. Let's get a little closer here.
Oh, she just bags everything up.
Yeah.
There's so many bags. Look at all the bags.
Yes.
All the bags.
Packaging. Yes.
And I think this first part's tail. Hey.
Tail's important.
Look at her, man. Look at that. I miss this thing. No, I get to keep it forever. No, you put the tape on it.
That is pretty. That is a really pretty tail.
I like the shine bits of it. You can see it shines. It's really good.
That is that's sparkle gray. Oh, I love sparkle. That's really cute. That really turned out nice. That was very nice.
I don't know where it's at.
You can sit on top of the piano. It's okay.
I think the hair goes up my nose.
Oh no.
Oh no, the fur is shedding.
The infamous thing of owning a fursuit is the fur. Oh, what have you got there? What is that?
This is pack and love.
Oh, we want to show the camera up close? We'll see what that is.
I think you want this one.
Oh, cool.
This is the one that I've been waiting for because she showed me pictures of it and I want to see it in person because it's bubble wrap. Let me get that out first. Hang on.
Yes.
Bubble wrap's a must. Let out all my inner boredom that I had at work today. Yeah. She's supposed to have her. Yeah, she's got her sabers and oh my god, it's better in person. Look at that though. That's what I've been waiting on right there. That's so great. Oh, I don't know how to deal. I don't know how to deal. I just need to get sprayed.
Let's see what she looked like here.
Saber and everything. Like she showed me a picture and I was like, oh, pictures do it no justice.
Everyone, this is magic. Magic the Snow Saber. Gorgeous. Very nicely done, Rossy Kitti Kreations peeps.
It was like her first one. I'm like, I do just put sabers on it and that's it. She's like, oh, I can do that, okay. Still keep the price the same. That's something. There we go. How do you get the hand paws on
That is
there?
cute.
She stuffed the hand paws in the head. Of course.
Yes.
This is the best one now.
Oh yes.
It just makes it.
Safe space.
Makes it. I can't.
Oh, is that her logo inside of the tag?
Yeah, it is. We put the logo inside.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really nice.
When this was like really clean, this was technically her color anyway.
Aw.
Think about it.
Let's see the.
I can't.
Are those fleece paw pads? That's the left. Okay, that's the left.
That's the left one.
Good, good.
And what makes it better though is we got finger escapes.
Yes, fingerscapes are very nice to have.
Yes. I have all those.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta remember. I now remember the struggles of me putting these on. Oh. Wait, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this one on because of my cast. I don't know. Maybe? I don't know.
You should be able to, as long as your fingers fit through, you should be fine.
So far.
If you need a help, a hand, or a hand, a paw. You would lend a paw.
Claw? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, wait. I think we got a little something going.
I'll help you if you need me to.
Hang on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I'm very stubborn. I need to quit being stubborn. That's the thing. I was like, yeah, for New Year's resolutions. Like, I've stopped being stubborn. That's a lie. I'm sorry. Promise me your promises. I just did one. Guilt. There isn't any now. At least I have to because I have every right at this point now. Then I finally take it off. There's more bubble wrap. I was.
Did you want me to help you with the tail?
Yeah. The only problem is I don't got a belt.
I have a belt for you.
Yay! Oh, you know what? Maybe I should put my fingers through here. Oh, this makes it harder when you got the cast one. There we go. Get the fingers through. Get all the digits through. There we go. Now I'm gonna break all these open. There's the feet. I can feel the sandals form. There you go.
Awesome.
Here are the feet, paws. It's like walking with pillows on your feet.
Oh,
How you do
we
it?
got a package, a little goodie package.
That's good.
What is that?
It's breakfast food with faces.
Oh, snap. Oh my gosh.
Breakfast food with faces.
Breakfast.
Rossy.
Breakfast.
I don't want my breakfast talking to me in the morning. Gonna make me get upset about that here. Okay, this is. Get work with me. Oh my god, the badge. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
it
get a
has
nice badge.
Yeah. The other football, yeah, they're the football. So they're just like, they're ginormous. Oh my gosh.
Wow, they're, oh my
I love
gosh.
these things.
They are pretty, they're really gorgeous.
Oh, it's like walking around with pillows. This is the best part. Okay, good. I can do this. This is like, I gotta do this. Why? Because my feet are cold. Cold feet, even though I got socks on.
Need help?
Sandals,
Need some help?
Leave me on the wall. That's my support. That's how I feel good. Yeah. Yep, that'll do it. Big feet. This feels good with the sandals on it though. Like I can kind of.
Show me your feet, show me the foot.
Hey!
Yay! That's cool.
Big feet.
Stompy.
Stompy feet! Oh my
Here,
god.
I'll go ahead and get your belt so you can go in full suit here.
Yeah! What is it now? Give me that thing. This is very important. I'm sort of foul.
You can try it with or without the balaclava. It's up to you.
No, it's gonna be easier. There we go. That's how you do it. Yay!
How can you too?
I just don't. I don't want it to drag around.
I think you should be fine.
1 minute later.
You're okay. Get the full view. You are in full suit now. And you look amazing. Wave at the camera. Yay! So this is Magic the Snow Saber, created by Rossy Kitti Kreations, and I'd like to say thank you very much, Rossy Kitti, for making magic come to life, and we'll see you again soon, everyone. Thanks for watching. Check out, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye for now. Bye.